Hello everyone, it's Rex. Today I'm drawing shark family. First, I'm drawing the mommy shark. And I'm drawing the daddy shark.
Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Let's draw the grandma shark.
Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus.
And now I'm drawing the grandpa shark. Finally, I'm drawing the baby shark. The baby shark is so cute. Let's paint. Orange.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The
Light
farmer
blue.
takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the
Pink.
dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Blue.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the
Yellow.
child takes the nurse. The nurse
Pink.
takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes
Orange.
the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse,
Purple.
the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Green.
the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone,
Purple.
the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese
Red.
stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Yellow.
the cheese stands alone.
They are so colorful. Blue. Look, they are happy shark family. See you on next video.